I'm Dr. Sara Platto. I'm Associate Professor for Animal Behavior and Welfare at the College of Life Science of John Kai University. At the very beginning, like the first week of the outbreak, when everything closed down, of course I was concerned because how do I do the shopping, how do I buy things? But for example, my university, they bought for us teacher a package of food in order to support us. I remember, for example, one occasion, and very nice. So the compound was sealed, and so I asked in the WeChat group of my building how to buy food. So I noticed that people start to talk in Chinese, say, "Hey, she's Italian, she needs some spaghetti and sauce." After 20 minutes, my doorbell rang, and I was like, "Who is there?" And there were these two of my neighbors, and they brought me some vegetables, some eggs, some food, and one of them also brought a nice note saying, "Sara, be strong, China will fix it."